Hey guys, this is Yasir here from the Techie Newbie, and today we'll be talking about the iPhone 7. So let's get started. First, we'll talk about the design. As per the design is concerned, the design is and the dimensions are the same as of the iPhone 6s, but the antenna is present on the upper edge of the phone, whereas on the iPhone 7 Plus it is the same as the iPhone 7. As the display is concerned, the iPhone 7 and the 7 Plus possess the same Retina display, but Apple says that it has 25% more brightness and the contrast. Talking about the cameras, the iPhone 7 possesses a 12 megapixel rear camera with f1.8 aperture, while the front facing camera is 7 megapixel. Talking about the iPhone 7 Plus, it possesses the same rear camera as of the iPhone 7, that is the 12 megapixel camera with f1.8 aperture. Meanwhile, it also has one more camera, that is the dual camera setup. It has the 12 megapixel camera, but this time the optical zoom is twice of the usual camera of the iPhone 7. Same front facing camera is 7 megapixel. Talking about the performance, Apple claims that the iPhone 7 and the 7 Plus have the A10 processor, which is the most powerful chip on any iPhone. Now coming to the battery section, Apple claims that iPhone 7 and the 7 Plus have the most long lasting battery on any iPhone. Coming to the headphone jack, iPhone 7 and the 7 Plus doesn't have a headphone jack, so it's quite unique, but Apple claims that USB Type-C gives a more quality sound than the headphone jack, so it has replaced the headphone jack, but it's a con that anyone can't listen to music while charging your phone. Coming to the stereo section, Apple claims that iPhone 7 and the 7 Plus give the best stereo sound. As we know, the placement of the speaker is the same as of the iPhone 6s. It is below the smartphone, but the iPhone 7 and the 7 Plus consist of a additional stereo speaker which is located below the speaker AirPods. This time the Apple has provided the AirPods, but not in the packaging of the iPhone 7 and the 7 Plus. You can buy it from the online marketing. The AirPods are wireless earpods with advanced features like double tap to perform any action which can be customized. Coming to the most important part, that is the storage. This time Apple has provided us the primary variant, that is the 32 gig variant, and 128 gig variant, and 256 gig variant of the iPhone 7 and the 7 Plus. As the iPhone 6s offered the gold one, the silver one, and the space grey, the iPhone 7 and the 7 Plus are offering the gold one, the silver one, and the grey one. The additional is the jet black. This jet black variant is an extremely glossy one. It can get scratches easily, so Apple has advised to use protective casing in this case. As per the pricing is concerned, the iPhone 7 with 32 gig variant is priced at approximately 60,000 rupees, and the iPhone 7 Plus is starting at 70,000 Indian rupees approximately. Let me know in the comment section below if you think that iPhone 7 and the 7 Plus are a good upgrade over iPhone 6s. Hit that red subscribe button if you didn't. Give it a thumbs up if you like the video. Put it down if you didn't. This is Yasir from the Techie Newbie signing off. Thanks for watching.